Welcome to this tutorial on how to allow your followers to add you to Instagram group chats on PC, following the latest update. This new feature enhances your Instagram experience, making it easier to connect with friends and engage in group discussions. Let's dive into the steps. First, open Instagram on your computer. Ensure you are logged into your account. If you haven't done this yet, simply navigate to the Instagram website and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see your feed along with various options on the left side of the screen. Next, look for the More icon located in the left side menu. This icon is typically represented by 3 horizontal lines or dots. Clicking on it will expand a menu where you can find additional settings. From there, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage your account preferences. Here, you need to find and click on Message and Story Replies. This section allows you to control who can interact with you through messages and stories. Now, navigate to Message Controls. In this area, you'll find options that dictate how messages are handled on your account. Look for the section titled Who Can Add You to Group Chats. Finally, under this section, choose only people you follow on Instagram. By selecting this option, you ensure that only those users who are already following you can add you to their group chats. This setting enhances your privacy, while still allowing for social interactions within your network. By following these simple steps, you can effectively manage who can add you to group chats on Instagram from your PC. This new update not only gives you more control over your messaging experience, but also helps maintain a more curated social environment. Enjoy connecting with your friends while keeping your interactions meaningful.